Hello guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to delete all archived stories on Instagram. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application over at your iOS device. Once you are already here, tap on your profile on the bottom right. It has your profile picture. Now the next step is to click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. And then click Your Activity. Now wait for it to finish loading. In here, one place to manage your activity as it says. Now, the next step is to click on Posts Archive. In here, you will see all your archived stories. Now, the next step is very simple. Click on the post that has already been archived. The next step is to click on the three dots on the upper right and then Stories. Once you are back again in Post Archives, the next step is to go back. Then click on Photos and Videos. In here, click on Select. Select those that you want to delete. Just click one or all and then click on Delete on the lower right. Then tap on the button this time. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.